How to add quick video effects in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and navigate to the edit page where you have your timeline ready. To apply quick effects, locate the effects library on the top left corner. Here you will find different categories like OpenFX, titles, and transitions. OpenFX contains a wide range of visual effects that can enhance your footage with just a drag and drop. Next, select an effect from the OpenFX panel, such as a glow, blur, or color distortion, and drag it directly onto the clip in your timeline where you want the effect to appear. Once added, click on the clip to highlight it, then head to the inspector panel on the top right. The inspector allows you to customize the effect settings like intensity, radius, or color tone, so you can make the effect subtle or strong based on your preference. If you want to add a quick transition effect between two clips, go to the video transition section in the effects library. Pick a transition style like dissolve or wipe and drag it between clips on your timeline. You can adjust the duration and other parameters in the inspector to make the transition smooth or sharp. For quick color effects, use the color page, select the clip, then use the presets or adjust the primary wheels to add instant color grading. You can also add LUTs from the LUTs panel for professional color looks in a single click. Finally, don't forget to preview your changes by playing the timeline and tweak any effect settings if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to add quick video effects in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.